Getting ready to go for a run in the snow. Should be fun. Hopefully the pack down a little bit. My trail running shoes are getting pretty worn out on the bottom. Spikes are kind of gone, so what I've done is put these sheet metal screws in there, and it looks like I got about 15 of them. You can see there, half-inch number 6 or 8, I can't remember. I think they only had 8. No, these are 6, and hopefully they're not too pointy right there. I do have a couple of 3/8 one I might replace in there. That's the kind of the thinnest part of the shoe. Everything everywhere else looks good. So we'll go give them a try and see how they do. All right, we'll have some fun. It's Christmas Eve morning. Beautiful day. Not a lot of snow this year so far. See up in the higher mountains, the tip up there. Can't really see those. There's snow for skiing and stuff, but here in the foothills and the valley just a little bit. Supposed to get a storm, but it hasn't come in yet. Beautiful though.
You want me to say something?
Oh, this is video.
I know.
Beautiful snow.
I thought you were looking at the clouds.
No, looking at us in the snow. There's the clouds. Beautiful. Not too cloudy day. In the snow. Let's take a nap right here.
Seriously. It's not bad.
Okay. Well, good night. How was your nap?
It was good. I'm cooled off now.
Me too. I'm tired now. All right. Let's see if you can get up. I should film that.
Don't you dare. My butt looks skinny in these snow pants too.
No
Grace.
problem. Woo!
No problem.
Here, you can film me. That's filming. Hi.
What you gonna do now, Bob?
Hold on to you. Help me. Thank you. Okay. Go. Says it's about 23 out there, so nice thermal shirt with a shirt over it. Hope that's enough. Take something else just in case. But here we go. I'll film some out there, see how it goes. Okay, well, it's dark. Ooh. I've done night running. I've done snow running. I've never really done night snow running, so let's see how this goes. This is this trail here. It's still a little slushy here. Hopefully it's packed down better up here. Yep, it's getting cold. Signs are freaking me out. Oh, I'm up on top. They're on there doing their job. Loving it. Looking down city, the freeway down there. So that snow run at night was a little spooky. It was dark. Very dark. The moon was not out that night, but it's fun nonetheless. The view over the city was really pretty with the lights twinkling and shining. The headlamp worked pretty well. It was just a cheap one from like Home Depot for less than $15 I got. Had a nicer one that broke, but that one's just about as good, just a little heavier and probably not quite as bright. But the shoes that I had the screws on the bottom. Those worked really well to keep traction in the snow, and continued to use them on some other snow runs and as the snow melted on the regular dirt. And I took out the middle screws just in the bottom of my foot because I could feel the pressure there. A couple of them, when I hit a rock, I felt some sharpness there, so I quickly took those out. But the ones around the edge were good enough to keep some traction going on the trails. Yeah, so thanks for watching some of my Christmas runs and snowshoeing with my wife and family. Had a good time doing that. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.